Hello and welcome to season 2 of what every manufacturing engineer should know about ChatGPT, MidJourney and more. During our last season, we share with you the value of generative AI, what it meant for an individual, what it meant for a company, and the potential of this new and amazing technology. This season, we are going to get into specifics on how do you command generative AI, in this case, ChatGPT or Andy. And it's known as prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is, in simple terms, how do you communicate, how do you speak to generative AI, and how do you extract an answer that is valuable and meaningful to you for the problem that you're trying to solve. To recap, as an individual, it's important, it's valuable, it's essential that you have the skill set to ask meaningful, valuable questions to generative AI, ChatGPT or Andy. The answers are going to elevate your skill set. They're going to augment your performance. They're going to give you back time, and they're going to make you faster, better than people that are not using it. And that's the true value of generative AI for an engineer in manufacturing. We have experienced firsthand that one of the best use cases of generative AI is problem solving. Using AI as an expert in your industry, whether it is food and beverage, consumer product goods, manufacturing and automotive, heavy equipment, you name it. Generative AI can be an expert on any process, any machine, any specific function, capability, or role in manufacturing. And using the copilot or generative AI to boost problem solving, to augment your capabilities to create a solution, to craft a solution, it's going to give you a tremendous advantage. It's also amazing to provide you with some automation and some creative capabilities, as simple as crafting an email, creating a presentation. Anything that takes a lot of time and cognitive ability can be fast-tracked. Using AI for the right use cases is essential. Generative AI will not be everything for everyone. And you have to also be mindful that generative AI is moving really fast. What you saw ChatGPT, BART, and other generative AI services perform at the beginning of 2023, it's already history. This industry is moving so fast, this technology is moving so fast that in 3 quarters, 4 quarters a year, the technology is very powerful. I would venture to say 4 times better, faster than what it was a year ago. And that is key because we are moving towards artificial general intelligence. And that's going to be a different chapter. The question is not if, it's when. And I think this is definitely going to be something that we got to be ready for when it comes. It's going to make it easier and faster.